Hello everyone, let's solve this Singapore math word problem in this video. The first statement says, Mr. Z baked a total of 120 chocolate cupcakes and vanilla cupcakes. So let's draw a bar model for this one. So it would look like this. We have chocolate and vanilla cupcakes. So for chocolate, we'll draw a longer bar, and for vanilla, we'll draw a shorter bar. And the total number of cupcakes is 120. Now let's read out the second statement. It says after selling an equal number. Okay, so we are selling an equal number, that is this blue part and this blue part is equal in number. But something happens when we sell an equal number of cupcakes. 90% of the chocolate cupcakes and 80% of the vanilla cupcakes are left. Now, if we had divided, let's divide our chocolate cupcakes and vanilla cupcakes into 10 equal parts. So I have divided both the bars into 10 equal parts. You can see that the size of each parts are different. Like the size of each part for chocolate cupcakes and vanilla cupcakes is different. Now what happens when an equal number is sold? So what is left of chocolate? Now, because I have divided into 10 equal parts, so each represents 10%. Each part represents 10%. Okay. So, if 90% of chocolate cupcakes are left, that means 9 parts are left out of 10. And 80% of vanilla cupcakes are left, that means 8 out of 10 are left. And now we have been told that equal parts, equal number of cupcakes of each flavor have been sold. So we can easily see that 2 parts of vanilla is equal to 1 part of chocolate, because we have been told that equal number of cupcakes have been sold of each flavor. So now we can draw our bar models again. With chocolate, I am drawing this bar model and I am going to cut it into 10 equal parts. Roughly I am doing that. And vanilla also. Now vanilla, we know that 2 parts of vanilla make 1 part of chocolate. So we will make like this. These are 2 parts, 2 hearts. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we can make the parts equal. I am cutting the chocolates into 2 equal parts, each part of the chocolate into 2 equal parts like this. And we already know that the total number of cupcakes were 120. So what is the number of parts now? Here we have 20 parts and here we have 10 parts. So 120 will be divided by, and we will get 4. Each part is of 4. So it is made up of 10 parts. So 10 into 4, 40. And chocolate cupcakes are made up of 20 parts. So 20 into 4, 80. So there were in the beginning 40 chocolate cupcakes and 80 vanilla cupcakes. Now, we know that one part of the chocolate cupcakes was sold. So, one part is equal to two small parts. So, it is 8. And we know two parts of the vanilla cupcakes were sold. So, it is also 8 because each small part is of 4. So, total number of cupcakes sold are 8 plus 8, 16. I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.